In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change keyboard color on Android. Let's get started. First, open the app that lets you open keyboard and type. For now, I will use the Docs app. Now tap any document and select Edit icon to access the keyboard. After the keyboard is visible, tap on the Settings or gear icon available at the top of the keyboard. Next, tap on the theme option available there. Here you can select any of the themes available there and your keyboard color will be changed. Or you can tap on the plus button at the top to create your own theme as well. Tap on the plus icon, which opens up the gallery. Now select any of the photo you want as your keyboard theme. Tap on Done. Finally, scale the image for the theme and tap on Next. And lastly, tap Done and tap Apply to finish it up. And that's it. You have finally changed the color of the keyboard. This is how you can easily change the theme or color of the keyboard in Android. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe Mini Pro Tips for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.